Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a listing on Facebook Marketplace. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and delete a listing on Facebook Marketplace. Maybe you've sold your item elsewhere and you need to take it off of Facebook. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first we're going to hop onto the Facebook app, and then on the bottom left hand side you want to click on Marketplace, or on the bottom right hand side you want to click on your menu and then click on Marketplace. So once you're on this page here, you want to click on Sell on the upper left hand corner. So from here you're going to click on your active listing that you want to go ahead and delete. So we're just going to click on the card binder for trading cards, and then from here you can click on Delete Listing. So once you click on Delete Listing, you're going to see a confirmation that says you want to delete this listing. So you can either delete the listing or cancel it. So once you click on delete, it's going to remove the listing from the Facebook Marketplace app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete a listing on Facebook Marketplace. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.